Shari and Nia will be doing lot of fun in the water park. Yes?
Yes.
Will you be trying all the rides?
Yes.
So let's go.
Let's go.
So there are so many rides. Few are not allowed for these kids, these size kids, but many are allowed.
Like
And
one is like this.
yeah, and there is a
I
wave.
fell down.
Yeah, there's a wave.
We came early for the wave because it closes
At 3, and we want to enjoy 2-3 times the wave so that we can have a lot of fun in waves. It's the most exciting, I think, the fun game of the Fun City ride.
Yeah.
Yes, so
Not game. The slides and the
slides,
waves.
and the fountains. Everything is so
Good.
fun.
Yes.
So let's meet inside. We will change. However, they have already changed. So they are waiting for the fun, taking the. Both are very excited. They are in the counter for buying the tickets. So they are super excited. They are running all around. Yeah. So they are wearing the bands, which is very important.
It's like tickets.
Yeah, not to lose.
Papa, it's very tight. Out.
So Papa is helping with the bands.
Papa is our driver and ticket buyer.
Yeah. They are going in. So we came quite early to enjoy all the rides. There are not lot many people around.
We can go to the amusement park also after this.
Yeah. So there is a locker. You need a locker, keys. So we are taking the keys. So we have changed and we are in the water park to enjoy the rides. This is beautiful water park. Lot many rides, waves, slides.
We have done the lucky draw. We have given 4 of our names. I mean like one name of us. And in the lucky draw, if the Didi is going to take out 8 names, and if one of us gets, then we could win like 10x combo tickets. And we can come here anytime. 10 tickets.
So they have started their masti and in the pool. So here is the pool. It's very exciting. Now the first thing they'll be doing is swimming. It's very cold. It's cold inside. It's cold inside. Slide was not functional yet, so they are moving to the another slide. mermaid. And Sherry is there. If you can walk, yeah, she's coming, and she has landed. And now it's turn for.
When I reached, I did a backflip like that.
Okay. So next slide is for Inaya, and now Inaya is coming. Where is she? Where is she? Where is she gone? Okay, there are 3 slides. I don't know from which slide she will be coming. She'll be deciding on her favorite, which must be tunnel. Let's see which is her favorite. I think yeah, tunnel is also functional. All the 3 are functional. Let's see in which slide she comes. I can't see her. Both of them are not visible. I don't know where they are. Okay. So well, I knew that she will be in the tunnel. So Sherry shown me her direction that she's in the tunnel and she's coming from the tunnel. I knew that she likes tunnels, slides. So she changed. She changed. And then Sherry came from there and Nia is coming from the open side. Oh my god. Yeah?
I saw a frog on that slide.
Oh, a frog?
Yeah.
He also must be enjoying.
I was terrified. I didn't see the frog. There was a dead frog and a frog hopping around that slide.
Okay.
I was so scared.
So we are moving to the another ride. And Inaya is swimming. So both have come and I was just below this bucket and all the water came over me. Waiting for both of them to come down. I don't know from which slide they'll be coming. Okay, so Inaya is standing just below the bucket to enjoy the water flow. And here comes Samira. So we are waiting for the water. Oh, where is she? She shifted her position. I cannot see her. They had a water splash. So now they are heading towards another, and I'm scared that some bucket full of water will fall on me from somewhere, so I am very careful because I am holding the camera. So now they are planning to go in this big giant slide which lands up here in the pool, but I think that is not functional, and they are moving towards the another. We have came a bit early, so because of that most of the rides are not yet functional, but they'll be started soon. They'll start soon. So they are going towards the one which is of bit height, and it is not permitted if the child doesn't know to swim, but they both know. So they'll be going and they are learning the instructions to go on that ride. So they are going one by one. One by one they are going. So I'm here to record them because this is a bit of height. So generally kids are not allowed. Those who doesn't know how to swim. But Sherry and Mia are expert because so Sherry is coming down, sliding down. And here they go. Now it's Inaya's turn and Inaya is very, very excited. She always excited to jump from a height in the pool. And now it's Inaya turn to take a dip. And here she comes. Yeah. Oh God. It was a big splash. And Mia is where is her goggles? She where is your where is your goggles?
Papa.
Where?
Papa.
Okay, with Papa. It's with Papa.
Oh. Can I go once again?
So how was it? Once more. Okay, go once more. So they are going once more. Relax and then go again if you want to go. So this one is quite big, which is actually not allowed for the kids, and I'll not send them also because it is very, very big. And I think this one is also not allowed for kids. However, the pool is very big here. So which is the next one? Wave I think has not started. Okay, come go then. Let's go there. Careful. This is not allowed for, I think. So we have come to have something because I am feeling very hungry, and they had in the morning choco fills, but I did not have anything. So I want to have something. There are not many things around which we can enjoy. Burger, Maggi, French fries, coffee. That will open soon. That will also open with time. We'll have our breakfast, some snacks, then we'll be starting again, okay? Okay, so go to that side. So what do you want to eat? What? Momo. I don't know whether we'll find. I don't know whether we'll be finding momos here. Okay, I think ice cream is there, shakes are there. So let's, till the time we are ordering the snacks and the snack is coming, they both are still enjoying. Inaya is feeling cold, so she's sitting there, and Sherry is okay. So Inaya also jumped, and we are waiting for the snacks to come, and they are also enjoying their. They don't want to wait sitting, so they are enjoying in the water. up there in the boat. So we are waiting for them to come, and Nia is not allowed in this as it is for the age of above 10 years. She is only 8 years. So we are waiting for them to come. It is amazing fun. So guys, I can hear her scream, and she came come. Oh. It was fun. It is fun. It is really fun. So now they are heading to Lazy River. So they are shouting for aeroplane sitting in the river. So I am moving round and round in the lazy river. So it's a lazy river or it's a fast river? Yeah. So Sherry lost her goggles. Sherry lost her goggles in the canal.
They were from the lazy river.
There were frogs.
Yes,
There were no frogs.
Yes, other. That was.
Yeah.
I am scared of frogs.
So everywhere, wherever you go, you lost something or other thing. I don't know what is.
And we were
So we
finding
are
Mama
heading
and
towards.
Papa.
Now we are heading towards the wave. Yeah. So we are here in the waves, and they just jumped over, not waiting.
Six in the morning, जी भर के नाच ले बेबी नाच नाच के तोड़ दे सैंडल आंटी पुलिस बुलाने की पल यार तेरा कर लेगा हैंडल चले चले में जा रही जिसको अपनी जान जा रही चुपचाप वो फ्लोर पे आके नाचे गाए नजरे मारे नाचे खाए शाम को करते बाय बाय माइकल जैक्सन मारे दो दिन एक्शन करके दिखाए पार्टी करनी है पार्टी करेंगे किसी के भी पापा से नहीं करेंगे सारे पानी का हमें रोक के दिखाए
After 2 hours. You want water? No water right now. We'll get it. Go inside, we'll get it. Once again, after 2 hours. Later, now they have a plan to go to the wave again. Now the final call, and they both have come. So okay, so say bye now and enjoyed a lot. Globals, come this side, you're not visible. Yeah, say bye. Enjoyed a lot. So at the end of the video, we are tired and we are going back home after
Ice cream.
how much hours? 4. No, we came here at 10 and right now is 4. So So for how many hours? 4 hours? 6 hours. Yeah, 10 we came here and it's 4 right now. 6 hours. So bye bye globals.